Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and let's talk about something that can really impact a man's confidence: erectile dysfunction. It's more common than you think, and while there are medical solutions, sometimes the answer is simpler than you think. Your diet. We all know that eating healthy is important, but did you know that certain foods can actually sabotage your performance in the bedroom? We're talking about foods that can directly impact blood flow, hormone levels, and overall sexual health. In this video, we're diving deep into the 8 worst foods for erectile dysfunction. And don't worry, I'm not just going to tell you what to avoid. I'm going to break down exactly why these foods are so harmful and give you practical tips on what to eat instead. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't constitute medical advice. Let's kick things off with a big one. Processed meats. We're talking bacon, sausage, deli meats, the works. I know, they're delicious, but they're loaded with sodium and preservatives that can wreak havoc on your blood vessels. Think of your blood vessels like a highway system. High sodium intake is like traffic jams in construction, making it harder for blood to flow freely. And guess what needs good blood flow? You got it, for optimal performance. Studies have even shown a direct link between high sodium intake and hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for ED. So next time you're reaching for that pepperoni pizza, think about the long-term consequences. Instead of processed meats, opt for lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or even plant-based options like lentils and beans. Your heart and your, will thank you. Remember guys, taking care of your body is key to a happy and fulfilling life, in and out of the bedroom. Next up, let's talk about those sugary drinks that taste oh so good, but are secretly sabotaging your health. Soda, sweetened juices, energy drinks, they're all loaded with sugar, and that sugar can lead to a whole cascade of problems, from weight gain to diabetes. Now you might be thinking, what does my weight have to do with my performance? Well guys, obesity is a major risk factor for erectile dysfunction. Excess weight can lead to hormonal imbalances and decreased testosterone, which can put a damper on your drive and performance. And don't even get me started on diabetes. High blood sugar can damage blood vessels and nerves, including those crucial for, The good news is, kicking your sugary drink habit is totally doable. Water should be your go-to, but you can also enjoy unsweetened tea, black coffee, or even infuse your water with fruits and herbs for a refreshing twist. Let's be real, who doesn't love a plate of crispy fries or some fried chicken? But here's the hard truth. Those deep-fried delights are loaded with unhealthy fats that can clog your arteries faster than a rush-hour traffic jam. Remember what we said about blood flow being crucial? Well, those clogged arteries are like roadblocks, making it harder for blood to reach its destination. And over time, this can lead to, you guessed it, erectile dysfunction. It's not just about performance either. Unhealthy fats contribute to heart disease, stroke, and a whole host of other health problems. So, what's the solution? Choose baked, grilled, or air-fried options whenever possible. Your heart and your, you get the idea, will thank you. Next up, alcohol and erections, a risky cocktail. Look, I enjoy a cold beer or a glass of wine with dinner as much as the next guy. But when it comes to alcohol and erectile dysfunction, moderation is key. Excessive alcohol consumption can really mess with your body in a number of ways. For starters, it can damage your liver. And a healthy liver is crucial for hormone regulation, including testosterone, which is essential for a healthy libido. Not only that, but alcohol can also interfere with nerve function. And let's be real, good nerve function is pretty important when it comes to, So, what's the takeaway? Enjoy alcohol in moderation, if at all. And remember, if you're struggling with ED, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. 5. Soy. Friend or foe? The surprising truth about soy and men's health. Soy products often get a bad rap in the men's health world, and for good reason. While soy can be part of a healthy diet, excessive consumption can lead to problems. Why? Because soy contains phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Now, estrogen is essential for women, but in men, high levels can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones, potentially leading to a decrease in testosterone production. And as we know, testosterone is crucial for a healthy libido and erectile function. The key here is moderation. Enjoying soy products in moderation, like tofu or edamame, is unlikely to cause problems. But if you're consuming large amounts of soy-based products on a regular basis, it might be time to cut back. 6. Dairy dilemma. The link between full-fat dairy and erectile dysfunction. Listen, I love a cheesy pizza as much as the next person, but when it comes to full-fat dairy products, moderation is key, especially if you're concerned about erectile dysfunction. Full-fat dairy products, like whole milk, butter, and cheese, can be high in saturated fats. And remember those artery-clogging fats we talked about earlier? Yeah, saturated fats are one of the main culprits. Over time, a diet high in saturated fat can lead to clogged arteries, reduced blood flow, and an increased risk of heart disease. And as we've already established, good blood flow is essential for, well, you know. The good news is, you don't have to give up dairy entirely. Opt for low-fat or fat-free options whenever possible, and enjoy full-fat treats in moderation. Let's go to 7. Canned foods. Convenient, but at what cost? Canned foods are a pantry staple for many of us. They're convenient, affordable, and often last a long time. But what many people don't realize is that canned foods often contain a hidden danger. BPA. BPA, or bisphenol A, is a chemical that's used to line many canned goods to prevent spoilage. The problem is, BPA is an endocrine disruptor, meaning it can mess with your hormones. And when it comes to erectile dysfunction, hormonal balance is key. BPA has been linked to lower testosterone levels and an increased risk of ED. So, what can you do? Look for BPA-free canned goods whenever possible. You can also reduce your exposure by choosing fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables over canned varieties. On to 8. Fast food, the fast track to erectile dysfunction? Let's be honest, we all enjoy a good burger and fries every now and then. But when it comes to your health and performance, fast food is about the worst thing you can put in your body. Fast food is typically loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and sugar, a recipe for disaster for your heart and your, well, you know. These dietary villains can contribute to weight gain, high blood pressure, and clogged arteries, all risk factors for erectile dysfunction. So, what's the solution? Limit your fast food intake as much as possible. When you do indulge, make healthier choices, like grilled chicken sandwiches or salads. And remember, cooking at home more often is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and well-being. So there you have it, guys. The 8 worst foods for erectile dysfunction. Remember, what you eat has a powerful impact on your overall health, including your sexual health. By making simple changes to your diet, you can improve blood flow, balance your hormones, and boost your confidence. It's all about making sustainable choices that support a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future health tips. And be sure to check out the video popping up on your screen right now for more transformative health information. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.